Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video, 77 minutes video that I just finished to record for my subscribers, covering many markets. In addition to that, I have put together a special offer for those who are interested in my services, and I'll be talking about it later. After the clip ends, I'll be providing more details and going through the details and the procedure to subscribe. If you're interested, please stay on. Other than that, I wish the US viewers have a great President Day break, and the rest elsewhere, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Price action in silver, gold and platinum is not terribly encouraging as far as the bulls are concerned. Although silver and gold moved higher and kept staying at a reasonably high level this past week, the price action has been not terribly dramatic, not terribly bullish, has been quite sluggish, and the pattern initiated by platinum on Friday and on Thursday is terribly bearish, and it's something that I've been discussing for a long time. I'll repeat it now for the sake of those who missed that explanation. In short, the issue is not straightforward here. We are still looking at a situation where silver might be facing quite a struggle. Okay, so coming up on the daily, coming up from the bottom here, we took this as an A or 1, that's B or 2, and we come up here, we have 1 or A, 2 or B, and one assumption says we're going up in a third wave or a C. Okay, fine. We have, when you go to see the subdivisions here, you will see we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're expecting a sideways price action and then a pull higher that will complete the 5-wave run, complete the third wave on the move scale. And then the moment of truth, if it goes sideways, that tells you, no, it's not ready to drop immediately. It is essentially consolidating with a view to eventually reach 21 or so, maybe higher. Okay, but as I just said, silver appears to be struggling in the last few days, and things are not looking terribly encouraging when you look also at gold and platinum. So let's now go to the 60 minutes. So that's the wave count that will hold for the bulls and will hold for further upside, if you like, uninterrupted. Okay, as long as we respect the critical levels we have here. An ABC, we came running from this level with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an ABC here uncontested, no problem. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, there's no problem here. That's 1, that's 2, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, pop, 5. I think it's probably done. It's probably done. It looks like it's seeking to go lower. If that's the case, fine. There is no problem as long as it stays above this level. Okay, 17.6. It breaks 17.6. Yeah, it cracks through my blue line that you see here, this zone right here, and that's bad news. That can't be good news. Certainly not short term for silver. It will only spell just spell the word trouble for silver. That's what I would say. There is also something that I find it difficult to resist not pointing it out, is the fact that the price action here looks like it's morphing into a triangle. You see, normally this is a sign of loss of momentum, loss of buying power. Now, the pattern here, coupled with a break of the 16.2 level, I think will almost certainly launch silver onto another leg down, where the more critical level for the long term would be 16.6. But we'll take it one step at a time. That's already a lot. 17.6, it's the first level that you absolutely have to watch carefully. It breaks through that level. At best, it would mean silver is going to go sideways. Silver is going to go sideways. Silver is going to go spend maybe a few months maybe around here delivering basically an ABC that will be taken not as a 1, 2, 3 but as an ABC. Okay, so you'll have an ABC-A, ABC-B, come down ABC, that's C, D, E, and that will complete the B leg. Okay, huge triangle here, and then silver will be looking up. Okay, that much I would say at this point concerning silver. Now here's gold, and in the case of gold, the situation as far as the idea of our B is concerned is looking quite promising. We have platinum as the leading contract, because in the case of platinum is really clear. There is something on the screen right now that should alert you to the weakness in gold. There are several things basically, and that is the first thing is this. You can clearly see that's the 4 hours chart, and you can see the momentum is struggling. And on top of it, gold really didn't make it towards the previous high, didn't really top the previous high, missed it by a bit, and came down on Friday, reversed. By doing that, it's actually respecting the interpretation that I put forward that we might be in a longish B, of which we have seen an ABC A right here in green. That will turn into a 1, 2, 3. That was the original idea, 1, 2, 3, that's a 4, it'll go up in the 5th, but it didn't make it. So it will turn into an ABC, and that will give you the B in green. Do you see the B in green? I'll have to bring it up here. Yeah, so you'll have ABC, that's an A, ABC, that's a B, and what are we looking for now is the C in green, which will be composed of an A, B, and gold will fall now through 1220. That's the idea. Okay, if we do see further weakness in gold and it drops towards, let's say, 1200, but it doesn't drop under 1180, then we are almost certainly on the right track. That will be our A in green, B in green, C in green. Gold will bounce back and will fall a bit more, and over time, and that's going to take quite a few weeks, maybe 2 months, okay, that will yield, as you can see, a triangle. We will have an A, we will have a B, and gold will project a massive run C that will take it long way up. The first leg, it's 1220, 2000, that's 100, it's roughly $150, $160, could be even $200 from roughly 1200. Okay, so that is the general idea of gold for the next several months, provided gold can stay above 1180. This is really important. Okay, so this is a very elaborate structure that I tell you would not have been easy for me even to think about it if I didn't follow platinum. Because I follow all the metals, when I looked at platinum, and platinum is highly correlated with gold and silver, when I looked at platinum, it looked like you can't run with many other alternatives. The alternative of the triangle looked so strong, then that made me think, how could that be applied to gold and silver? Now, it is, as you can see, it is more applicable to gold than to silver, but eventually silver is just going to follow the line of gold and platinum. Okay, so let's now go and see the 60 minutes. So here we go. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and where's the 5th? Didn't make it. You see? Didn't make it. That was the critical line. It just didn't make it. It is, of course, possible that it will make it. And I'm being bearish too soon. That it will reverse. Come next week and it will reverse. It will run about 1244. And then, of course, it will cancel the idea of the C. It'll run up and silver will continue up and platinum will probably change as well. So that will change the whole thing. But right now, and you can see the momentum here on the 60 minutes, is just looking miserable. The odds are pointing to we have high probability that in fact that is the wave count that could play out. That's 1, 2, 3, that's 4, that's 5, That's an A, that's a B, that's a C, and that's why it didn't take the origin. It didn't exceed the origin because that's an A and that's a B, and that's where it's going. It's going down. Well, I can tell you that if it breaks down towards 12.28, 12.24, you can already assume that it's going to break the floor at 12.16, and it's probably going to go lower. Okay, because if it goes that low, that's not going to be any more part of the flow of the run that began from this spot. Okay, so it's almost certainly heading lower. Breaking under this level will be highly significant. I'm repeating, will be highly significant for the price action that is likely to dominate the gold market for weeks to come, if not more. Hello, I'm back here with some details about a special offer. For those who are interested in my services, you need to get on my website here, wavemastery.com, okay, www.wavemastery.com. That's the homepage. There are a few articles that I've written. You can check the tabs. Is this website for me? Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, etc. Why join? Subscribe here. That's where you can find the special offer. It is under this tab. Okay, that's the one you're looking for. You can find the same page under the resources menu right down at the bottom. That gives you basically the same offer. Okay. If you have any issue whatsoever, you contact me through Contact Us. It's very simple. Just put your email. Make sure you give me the right email. You put here the first primary school level maths. Okay, you submit and I get it. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I am in Belgium, so if you are in the US or in Australia and you write to me when I'm having some rest, so I'll react to your email as soon as I see it. Normally it doesn't take more than 12 hours for me to react. Concerning the resources menu here, you do have quite a few charts that if you like charts, you can go through. There are lots and lots of charts here, some useful links, recommended reading lists. All this is interesting, standard stuff, private policy, terms of use, and here is a special promotional offer that I'm going to discuss now. I have it starting now and running till the 23rd of February. Okay, you can have a trial for the daily service. The daily is very intensive. It's basically I record every day. Plus, it includes the service on the weekends. So the weekend service, you don't have to pay special. Once you pay for the daily service, you paid for all the videos that I record, and you have a trial for 7 days. At the end of the 7 days, you like it, you do nothing. You'll go on the reduced plan. That is 50% off for the first year. You will essentially have to pay only 79 euro per month instead of 159 plus VAT. VAT really is applicable if you are in Europe. Those are in the US, UK, oddly enough, those in Belgium, those in Australia, Asia, Japan, all those countries don't pay VAT, so you just pay 79, that's all. Okay. If you have any question, again, don't hesitate. Just hit the Contact Us. Get to me very quickly here with this, and ask me whatever you like concerning the service here. So if you are from Europe, you got to run through the menu here, the various countries: Germany, Cyprus, Australia, Bulgaria, Estonia. If you do not find your country and you are in Europe, please write to me rather than choose a scale that doesn't relate to you, because we will have to redo the, it will be no good, because these things are set for taking into account VAT, you see. So it is really important that you choose the right country. If you don't see your country, you just write to me and I'll provide a solution. Those from the UK, USA, Belgium, and other non-EU countries, you just choose this one. You click on the subscribe here, and it takes you to the page. You're going to pay me directly, so it's Aaron Fatal. My nickname is Ronnie. My full name is Aaron. I prefer you call me Ronnie. And $9.99 will be just for the first 7 days. You see, it starts with the $9.99. and you fill in the details. Once you do all that, you get a message, yes, you paid. It takes you back to my website to fill in the subscription form, okay, the membership form. You choose your password, your username. Choose carefully username, you can't change it. Choose your password. You go through that, you click OK. Please provide all the details, especially if you're subject to VAT, because I do need your location, okay. Please provide me location, street, etc. It's just in case there is a VAT inspection. I have to be on target, you know, I have to provide this information. You don't want me to have problems for that. Okay, so that's the daily service, and that is very intensive. If you start from anywhere basic level, within just a few months I'm going to take you to very high level. Promise. Promise. I have subscribers who started with almost no level, and they write to me after 10 months, after 8 months. They just can't believe. They can't believe the huge progress that they made. And the reason why you make huge progress is because I record every day, and I cover 15, 20 markets every day. These are popular markets, so you're going to be able to have the quotes, to have the price data for them, and you're going to very quickly get a feel for how the patterns evolve. And I cover the short term, long term. In short, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Try it out and you will see. Okay, so that's the daily service. The weekend service starts with a trial of just $4.99 that gives you access for 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. If you like what you see, normally that gives you access to 2 long videos, and I also insert once in a while I insert a bonus video midweek, okay, to the weekend subscribers. Not on a permanent basis, okay, once in a while, you know, just to keep you floating in the right direction. And if you like what you see, you do nothing, and then you end up paying $29 per month plus VAT again if you're in Europe. Otherwise, if you are from elsewhere, you just pay $29 per month. So just read that again. If you have a question, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Again, you select the right country as you run through the list here. Okay, it's really important you select the right countries. The procedure is the same. Okay, it's the same. Let's suppose you are from Lithuania or Holland or Spain or whatever. Okay, that includes the VAT. You see, instead of 29, the VAT is added, and you click subscribe here. You go to the page, and it gives you the trial. It starts with a trial of $4.99. And once you go over the 2 weeks, yes, then it goes to the reduced plan. That means each month you pay $35, and that runs for 12 installments. Okay, the 12, at the end of the 12 installments, it doesn't renew automatically. You'll have to get in touch with me. By then you will know me quite well. You can also contact me if you have questions about trading, etc. Although I can't provide personal advice, but nothing stops me from providing you with detailed technical analysis of stocks that you're interested. And basically what happens is I provide you with the various scenarios of what I think the market is going to do, and then it's up to you. You make your decision. You see, so it's not personal advice. I'm just providing a strict technical review of a market. There is nothing in the world that stops me from doing that. Okay, so again, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I am here to answer questions, and you will be able to get in touch with me once you're a subscriber, asking specific questions about certain stocks or certain markets you're interested in. One thing you're not allowed to do, if you have taken a trial in the past and you stopped and you didn't go on to the reduced plan, you are not allowed to take the trial again. Okay, I will cancel your subscription. I will block you if I notice that you have taken the trial second time. Please don't do that. If you are interested in the service, I will allow you to go on the reduced plan, but you have to write to me. Do not subscribe. Write to me, and I will send you a special link that will not include an introduction, but will take you straight on the monthly reduced plan. Okay, reduced price plan. Please respect that. You respect my servants and I respect you. It's mutual. It's the best way of going about it. Okay, hope to see you on my website. Wishing you the best. Bye now.